Now guys, my friend's car has the following problems. The car did not start. It did not start well in the morning. It stalled at idle. There were engine interruptions that they just didn't change. Replace all the wire of the car. Clean the nozzle. Replace the air gasket candles. Clean the damper. But nothing helped. The cause of the malfunction was the following. When they changed the wire to the car, it was done. It was not done well. Changing the wire from the plug, but it was necessary to change everything. Therefore, the wires were they attached in place, and a short circuit was obtained. They adjoin. One more nuance: when the wires are twisted, this is also not reliable. You need to solder the wires. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.